Hi, this is Kelly Hurt, and welcome to another Funeral Home Financing Frequently Asked Questions segment. Today's question we'll be covering: is my credit score very important when a bank is determining my loan? A simple answer to that question is yes. Banks will use your credit score as a handy mechanism to assess how much risk is involved when providing a potential borrower a loan. The higher the score of the likely borrower, the lesser is the risk posed to that lender, and a higher score will also determine your likelihood of obtaining the best available rate and term. What we have seen is that most banks will decline a loan solely based off the credit score and history of that potential borrower. Every bank is different. However, some can work with a 630 FICO score while others require 680 or higher. From our research, the average American credit score is in the range of 651 to 720 and following during these turbulent credit times. Credit scores will also fluctuate from time to time because your repayment history determines your credit score. If you do struggle to make your payments by the due dates, then this will affect your credit standings and lower your credit score. For example, someone with an average credit score of 700 plus can increase their score by as much as 20 to 25 points by paying their bills on the correct time in a given month. Establishing or re-establishing a good repayment track record will help in strengthening your score. Another item that can lower your credit score is having elevated debts and stretching your credit cards to their maximum limits. This may lower your credit score by as much as 70 to 80 points. Although it's better to have a credit card account than not at all, you must still make timely repayments to raise your credit score. Someone who does not possess a credit card, for instance, has a tendency to be a higher risk than someone who responsibly manages their credit cards on a month to month basis. One thing to remember before applying for a large commercial loan is to pull your own credit report. By pulling your own credit report, you can go through and check through the items that we just covered in this short segment. Remember, in today's rough credit market, your credit score is king. For more information about funeral home financing, please contact me, Kelly Hurt, at khurt@johnsonconsulting.com or call me direct at 785 686 4120.